Hello guys, this is one of the representative of Dentodontics. We have come here with one of the important news regarding HPSC exam. There has been a scam that has been seen in HPSC exam, and it's all over Haryana. It's all over Haryana. It's a very demotivating situation for any. Not much expected. It's really a disheartening situation that we are facing right now. So much the PSC exams are not conducted easily, and when they are conducted with this type of scenes. The details are that one of the resident was been there named Narendra was been there from Daulatpur of Hisar. He just he reported against this scam first, and the person who has been convicted or who's been suspected or who's been arrested caught red-handed with his 90 lakhs rupees in his office only for this exam. And that person is only the deputy secretary of HPSC official, and his name is Anil Nagar, and he's not only convicted, or he's not only caught in this corruption or injustice. Before that also many of the things are being claimed against him, like he was been in the paper leak of 2017 also. Before that also he's been caught in some of the many things were being against him. Then why, if a person has been caught with such suspicious things, why he is not being evicted from that post, and why he is still continuing to be the deputy secretary of HPSC exam official? That's a big post. And see, they have conducted the written exam on OMR sheet. How in this modern technology, now in this present world, in this present India, when the voting thing, that the ballot has also been removed, and they are conducting on the EVM machine those voting, then why the hell you are going again into the ancient times? Now, previously those exams were used to be conducted on CBT. Now this year only they have replaced the CBT exam of written exam with the OMR sheet. Now many of the newspapers also have claimed, we have posted everything in detail on our official Twitter ID, official Twitter account. You can watch those news clips. We have selected it and we have posted everything there. Go and follow us on our official Twitter handle, and there you can see in description that this guy is been convicted in many of the scams. Then why he is been still operating onto that higher level of post? That's why I'm saying, now previously this exam was used to be conducted with CBT, computer based test, but why this exam is being replaced by OMR sheet, like offline exam? One of the many newspaper claim that this person Anil Nagar, who has taken the money from many of the candidates, and he has selected them in this MO interview, written dental exam, made them qualified for the interview purpose. Many of the aspirant of dental of the HPSC dental aspirants messaged me, DM me, sir, this is like this, we have got this number and this is being coming, sir, why, if there is something fishy. And now this came up today. Yesterday only this news flashed, and now it's all over Haryana. So that's why I'm saying it's a very, very devastating situation for the dentistry. And now the initial investigation has been going on. 2 crore rupees has been seized. The thing is that now people are raising that to reconduct this exam, and the demand is now on Twitter. We are also starting this campaign that so that the meritorious and the person who really should get this qualifying and should be selected for this interview should raise their voice and are saying that, sir, we are being cheated and all. How this? So for maintaining a transparency of the exam, CBT exam should be there, so that there should be no injustice should be there. Why to conduct an OMR exam when you have replaced a CBT with OMR? That only shows a clean indication that something on a fishy should be happening. and again this person has been caught. And thanks to Mr. Narendra, who has been from Daulatpur, that who reported this thing and bring into light this thing that has been going on. Now we demand and immediate action should be taken on Mr. Anil Nagar about this, and he should be removed from his post of deputy secretary of HPSC, because he's been convicted and he's been caught in many of the scams before that also since 2017. I don't know why he's been continuing on such a prestigious post, so we still demand a justice for it. And a transparent exam, a reconduction of a transparent exam for the MO dental written exam should be there, so that the meritorious people that are not be selected or qualified due to this can get a chance, and can get a chance for this 81 seats MO dental Haryana dental PSC post, because it's an important and a life-changing post. So I urge all to just raise the voice against this injustice, and this is the really disheartening situation. And so we thought that we should bring this in the notice of all. And further, with the counseling updates, we'll be coming with the days left of the counseling updates, and few counseling updates are there. We will post it by the end of the evening. So like, this was the important update that should be mentioned here, so we came up with this. Thank you guys, and we will be coming up with more updates. Subscribe this channel for all the dental updates, and follow us on our official Twitter handle, so that we can raise any injustice, any corruption is going in the dentistry. We can raise this voice to upper level. Thank you, sir.